This is Hooligan tool,
Okay.
and it's used to pry open doors.
Welcome to Lock Picking Legend.
And yes, you are watching Lock Picking Legend. A short video here, a bit of fun, but I do want your input. The magic of technology. Right, so what I want you to look out for, like when I use an EPG, I pulse the tension wrench. You know, I don't try and maintain a certain amount of tension. I sort of pulse it, you know, bap, 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 with my finger on the wrench. But this bloke sort of goes anti-clockwise, 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 and the first time he goes clockwise, it opens. Now, when he's doing it, I'll say left instead for anti-clockwise and right for clockwise because I need shorter words so that I can get it in time. But check this out, ready? Left, 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 right. Now, there's something a bit weird about that. Let's slow it down. Let's see it in a slower speed. Anti-clockwise, 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 clockwise, and it opens. Come on. So I'm going to leave it on the half speed for this next one because it all happens very quickly. Watch how careful he is inserting the tension tool, and then he applies a tiny bit of tension clockwise, a tiny bit more tension clockwise, and then anti-clockwise, and it opens. Ready? Watch. So making sure to be clockwise, 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 anti-clockwise, open. I don't know about that at all. I really don't know about that. Now this one takes a bit longer, but there's still something unnatural about the tensioning. It's interesting that there's already a tension wrench in the lock, but the tensioning doesn't look natural, and this lock takes the longest out of all of them. But if you were being deceptive, you would put a longer, you know, a tricky lock in there, you know, to kind of balance it out a bit. I think so anyway. Let's have a look. Not a lot of tension being applied there. He's being a bit delicate with it, and the underarm, the underarm for the final open was just absurd. So the final lock, this one is the most convincing out of all of them, but that doesn't say much. The tension still seems intentionally delicate, almost as if the plug was rigged so that when you want to open it, you can open it. So let's check this one out. I mean, you know, when you're using an EPG, you do have to get that tension to bind occasionally. You know, you hit your limit, and that's when you ease off a bit. That's when you lessen your pulsing, your tension. It's, I don't know. Let's watch the rest of it. Well, there you go, people. That's pretty much it. Let me know in the comments whether you're getting a feeling of deception or not.
No.
And listen, this isn't a malicious video. I've deliberately left all the branding out. I'm sure it's a very good pick gun. I just got a bit suspicious, and I thought I'd ask people I know I can trust. What do you think? Is that legitimate? This isn't malicious, it's a bit of fun. Proper lockpicking video coming this weekend, and a very big channel announcement. So look out for that one. Take care, everyone. A thumbs up would be legendary. Ta-da!